Elena, Ari, and Emily doing the salt challenge now. Okay, guys.
Okay, here we go.
You ready?
No. You guys ready? No. It's gonna be gross.
Come on.
1. No, wait, I'm not.
Emily, go over there, this way a little. Okay, there you go.
Okay, ready? What? Okay, ready? Here we go. Not ready though. 2, 3. I feel bad. I don't know why I got my
I told you not to do it.
Very close. It's in the back of my throat.
I told you not to do it, idiots.
Still tasty.
Well, duh. Are you? You were just like spitting on the table.
It wasn't as bad as the cinnamon challenge.
And
Oh, someone like wanted to.
Oh God. That's bad.
There's like this salt and ice cube. I don't know what it is.
really?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can keep an ice cube in our mouth. Okay, I will.
What?